Loko ko, yawa kayo.
Number 60 and number 61. So number 60, lapis na integral lang.
Yawa kayo.
3 over x.
Loko ko.
X plus 3dx. So, mali din ang gigamit sa ako siyang gibungkag. So, 3 over x plus 3 is equals to a over x plus b over x plus b. So, ako din siyang okay, so pag-solver din. 3 equals to a parenthesis x plus 3 plus bx. So, 3 equals to ax plus 3a bx. So, ako rin yung sa bx o bx. 3 equals to a plus bx plus 3a. So, a plus b equals to 0 din. Ako rin siyang nabili na yun. 3a equals to 3. Then, divide ako 3. Ako rin siya nakuha ko. A is equals to. So, a plus b equals to 0 to 1 siya to 1 plus 0. Then, b is equals to negative 1. So, dili na yan. Solve na ito on 1. Ganun na mga given. 3 over x. This is x plus 3 dx equals to 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 3 dx. So, 1 over x equals to 1 over x plus 3 dx is equals to 1 over x dx minus 1 over x plus 3 dx. Then, 1 over x dx equals to ln x. Then, dili yun, 1 over x plus 3 dx equals to ln x plus 3. So, 3 over x plus 3 dx equals to ln x minus ln x plus 3 plus c. ln x minus ln x plus 3 is equals to ln x over x plus 3. Then, manalay siya natin nakuha yung answer. 3 over x parenthesis x plus 3 plus parenthesis dx equals to ln x over x plus 3 plus c. So, sa number 61 na yun, what is the area bounded by the curve y equals to 8 minus x cubed, x equals to 0, and y equals to 0. So, gibuha na ito yung y-axis and x-axis. So, y equals to 8 minus 0 cube is equals to y equals to 8. Then yung x-axis is 0 equals to h minus 3x cube. Then transform to x cube equals to 8. Then equals to x. Atong x-axis is 2. So mali yung graph ng forma sir. Mali yung 8. Then mali yung 2. Then pag-solve na ito sa area, mali siya 2, 0 plus 8 minus x cube dx. Then, sa ubos, 2, 0, 8 dx minus 2, 0, 8 cube dx. Then, nagsakaksa din nato siya. So, ngayon, 8 dx equals to 8x, 2, 0 equals to 8. After parenthesis, 2 minus 8 times 0 is 16. Then, related sa isa is 8x cubed dx equals to x4 over 4. Then 2, 0 equals to 2, 4 over 4 minus 0, 4 over 4 minus 0 minus 4. Then, naturally, ito lang minus 2 para makuha ang area. So, 16 minus 4 is equals to 12 square units.
Kasi mo may ba?